Alright, hey, this is Hans coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is a show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today I've got one from Japan. This is Myojo Ippeichan Mentaiko Yakisoba. So it's got cod roe in it, fish egg. It's not bad. Fish eggs are okay. And don't be afraid of them. They ain't gonna get you. Alright. So let's give it a try. We got a garnish, a mayo kind of thing, and a liquid base. So we're gonna take some of this boiling water, fill it up to the line. Do this for 3 minutes. Oh yeah. So what's your deal? What are you doing? It's not summer for you anymore, but it's still summer for me. I did something nice with my son yesterday. We went to, you go that way a little bit. Yeah. There's this place called Swamp Creek Park. And it's pretty neat. It's a nice area. There's like a little water feature, all sorts of cool stuff. And I took Miles with me and we walked over there, and then we met up with this lady and this dude, and they're like, well, the dude was her friend, who's pretty neat. Older fella, and this lady Linda, she does tours on, looks like the first Monday of each month of the park, and I've walked through there a zillion times, but I didn't realize there were all these like little mini trails all through the park, and I didn't know that there used to be people that like had houses there, and it was really cool. There's this tree, it's a real trip. So somebody ditched a bike back there years ago, and eventually what happened is the tree grew up and around, and all you can really see of that bicycle is a pedal sticking out. It's crazy. It's really, really weird. But it was nice. It was a nice way to spend a morning, learn a little bit about stuff. Miles was really good, and yeah, it was good stuff. So that was fun. We did that yesterday morning, and my dad always sent me out to do these things with naturalists on trails and things, and he never came with me, so I was like, well, I'm gonna go with my kid. But it was fun. A nice way to do a morning, and it was free. Got to meet some nice people. Chit chat. And yeah. So good stuff. What else is going on? The heat has abated. It's kind of muggy outside, but it's totally overcast. It was like, started yesterday. I hadn't seen clouds in quite a while, and now we have clouds aplenty. But that's good. I'm actually really thrilled about that. I missed clouds. They're helpful. But yeah, I haven't done one of these shows in a little while, at least a week and a half. So I'm gonna get back to doing it this week because I'm home, kids are home, school's out for his. He was in summer school for like 3 weeks, so he's out of that now. So I won't be going anywhere in the daytime. I'm stuck, but that's okay. Okay, let's just throw this right here. That was uneventful, which I am happy about. Drain it. And then we will put it in here. And then the next step. So we got this goo. So we need to add our goo. If you didn't see yesterday's episode, this morning I was slicing some vegetables with a mandolin slicer. Took the tip of my pointer finger off. Not exceedingly thrilled about that. Gonna make it hard to play video games, that's for sure. Or just use my phone. Or pick my nose, that's right. I know somebody was immediately going, oh, how are you gonna pick your nose, Ramen Raider guy? Like, I don't know. I think I'm kind of out of commission for the picking. So, one thing I don't like is when yakisoba just looks like stirred up noodles. I like it when it has a little bit of color and look to them. Let's try this before I gussy it up with the inclusions. Buttery, salty. Yeah, it's definitely like, it's definitely buttery. And we will use this plate. What's on this plate? A couple little bits. There's our yakisoba. Here is our special yakisoba mayo. And I will go take pictures of this and then come back and try it. I'm really not going to add much to this. I don't think it's necessary. Okay. I'm just going to do back and forthy. Let's give that a taste. Just like mayo. And then we have this, and hopefully this isn't just straight Mentaiko, because if it is, that probably would have done better stirred in, but we'll see what we can do. Oh yeah. Oh, they're getting crankety out there. There you go. So, let me, hey, stop calling each other names. I don't like it. It makes me all cranky. You don't want me cranky. I'm gonna put some of this, like, right. Like that. So, yeah. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to let Rotato do its thing, take this away, bring it back, and then I'll taste it with all the stuffs here and there. You'll see. All right, so now I'm going to go over here and shoot the beauty pictures. One moment. All right. Let's put it back to my monitor. All right. So now we can try it with all the gunk on it. From over here without the spring onion. It's a light, thin noodle. Cheers. It's pretty good. Very light. The Mentaiko imparts kind of a bit of a fishiness that's actually really good. It works well. Unfortunately, the noodle was salty pretty well before adding the mayo on it, and that added a lot more salt. So, I don't know how I feel about that, but yeah, so there's that one. And the next one you're going to see is this. This came by way of B&B Global Distribution. This is Paldo with their King Noodle Chicken Flavor Mild. So that'll be the next episode. Have a good one. Bye-bye.